Hi everyone friends, we're on a call with Weller. Today I'm going to show you how to share your screen from one phone to another and still be able to control it. For this we need to go to the Play Store. Yes, on both phones we'll need to install AnyDesk. Open AnyDesk, yes, do the same on the second phone. Open AnyDesk, that's it, and then enter the address of the phone we want to control into the phone we'll be controlling from. Like, I've got it set up like this. Yes. Then press enter. Yes, that's it. And immediately we get a request. Click accept. So then click start. Choose which app we'll use to share. You can even use the entire screen. That's it. Well, from the other phone we can use this phone on the left. That's it. Well, once connected we can use this phone. As you can see, it works. That's all. This was Weller. Bye everyone.